Okay, so yesterday we have learned about how to scrap website using Power BI like this way, right? So we have got all the tables, right? And now we will extend this thing. We have downloaded this table via just clicking on this and export the data. All the data is available here is right. So we have collected this data, right? So now I'm just using this to explore it via MS Query. Okay, so first of all, I will go for a MS new query. Go for this folder. So I just go for this one and open with the folder MS Query. I would recommend you to use MS Office Professional 2016 because it is used. Some function is available in 2016 and some function is available for 2000 MS Office 365 and 2019 and 21. So I would recommend you to use MS Office 2016. It is a just like a bridge. So let's say now I got this entire table. I will use this for data, not all. So I just go for the transform data. When you click on transform data, it is open in MS Query now. I just filter out. I don't want this. I don't like. I don't want this, and just click on OK. So it is only for MS Query. Now all the table is there. Just select and press button. Delete. Now this is a binary function. Binary function is holding an entire file. See, entire file. So I don't want this also. Just remove it. Okay, I just keep this right. So first of all, I will go for in place of selecting entire folder, I would suggest to go just discard it, then select. I was very just by file. So just select the file name, any file you will select, you can select. Just import it and just transform data. This is my first file. Okay, data 3. Now just make a copy of it. See, data 3 have a just click on source. Source have an entire path of file this way, right? So I will just change it to click on source data 2. Press enter and the data 2 is there. Then make a duplicate again and source 1. Press enter again. Now duplicate, click on source, remove 1, press enter. So all the file will come up, right? But I just want there is a heading. Problem is heading. Heading is not showing, so I have to click on this show first heading. Insert first heading. No, I'm just pressing the use first row as a header. Use first row as a header. So now heading is come up. My data is not coming up in this. Let me check. Okay, now change the type. Okay, so now I have to append all these things, not merging, appending, right? So I'm just click on append queries. One or three more table because I have four table. So four is already there. Two, one. Okay. Wait a minute. I just add, add this one. Add new. Click on this. It has already come up. So I just add this and okay. Now all the table is come up with the data. Now create driver is a similar model. So I just remove the duplicate first of all. So removing duplicate is very easy. Just right click on this and remove duplicates. Okay. I will fill this later on, no issue. Or you can fill like this one. Replace value. There is a blank. Just write down 21. 21.01 ANPL. Just okay. So it fill up completely, right? Now my table is ready. Just close and load. See, it will upload all the three tables. But I want only on the table which include all the things, right? Just click on this, press shift and enter the last sheet and select it. Use the shift button to select group tables. So this is my table. Now my table is come up. Here we don't have a table. We have a table here. See, my one mistake is there. I have not taken a price lower and upper. So I just want office. We have to return back to the query. So when you click outside, there is no query menu. When you click on this, you will get the query menu. So just click on this and press edit. Okay. So just press it and split this column by delimiter. This use rupees. Not rupees. Each occurrence of the delimiter. Okay. Let's remove this column. Then split again. Now this time I will check dash. Okay. We have a comment. Now I don't want legs. So uh, replace values. So what I'm going to replace is like LAKH and star. What you need to find LAKH and star. Press it. Remove it. Right. It is a value. Value well becomes blank. Then just 5. Okay. It is a null. point what? Null. That was 5.0. Okay, now we got the value. The table is ready, and no duplicate is there. Everything is okay. There is a CC, seater, KMPL, and it is a low. Just click, double click, lower price, lower bound and upper bound. Upper. Let's say click. Don't no, we don't use to identify the data type. Okay, so just close on it, and it will remove all of this. Just save it. Now, what we will do with that? We will use the MS query with that. So just click on this. Paste it here. Just remove. Click on data and remove duplicates. Okay. Now we got table. Select it. Press Ctrl is equals to. It will give me a data. Now select this to comma and replace. Just go select, click here, give it Control Shift U umbrella. So this is model. Now I will create a drop down. I have just click the data validation. Just click on list and paste. It will not use variable because it is a very high. Okay. So I have to select. It is a limited range, so we have to change it according to my list. Yeah, this is my list, and I just want to add a company name. I just want to add a company name over here first of all so that I can use it. Just leave it. Company name. Just click on this and go back to query. Go back to query and split again. Make a duplicate first. Okay. Now we got the duplicate, and now I will split the column by delimiter and space. I am using space in between space. Each occurrence of space, and just click on this. I don't want this. Just select and press delete. It is a model. Just double click on this model, copy one. We write down company. We already have that one, so we don't need this. Just press and close it. We got this company. Now I just select, just remove duplicates, and we got this table. Now I just press and select entire this, then Control is equals to. So it will give me a table. Just remove, press. We are replacing this double quote and semicolon with single comma. So I got this data. Just press it, Control, remove it, then come to Just paste it here. When you select this now, it will keep, because it is on enter mode, right? It is on, my Excel is on enter mode. Just change it to enter mode, because you cannot use right or left arrow, because when you click on right or left arrow, it will go to the enter mode. So you have to change it. Press F2, and now it is on edit mode. Now you can go with this arrow. So press F2 will make it as on edit mode. Then you can go with the arrow, right or left arrow. Otherwise you will not get. So press F2 to go to enter mode. Now press F2 again to come to the enter mode. So F2 is used for enter mode and edit mode. Now click on this. We got this. We don't require this. Just go to home and this one. Now I will use the MS carry. Just go. But I am why I will telling you. I was telling you that 2016 professional edition of the Excel is absolutely good, because it is an old query getting external data query method is available, along with the new also. This is Power Query. Power BI Power Query is also available. Power BI is also available. Go to developer table, come to home, just click Power Pivot, Power Map, Inquiry, Fuzzy Lookup. Right? All the all the add-ins will come over here. Okay, so no, I don't want it right now. I have created my add-in on also, so I will tell you how to create this add-in. Okay, in the next in this video also. So first of all, I will go to MS Query. Topic is this one. I have covered this already. Now I am on this topic. Okay, just save it. Go to data, go to external, from other sources. Go to MS Query, ODBC, Microsoft Query. Just click on this. Select Excel. It is used for OLP, OLAP cubes. I will tell you OLAP cubes. Queries is also over here, and database. So I will select MS Excel and click OK. It will collect this table. This file is available on desktop. So I'll just go to desktop. Here, this is my file. Okay, which is I'm using presently. Click select and OK. So this is my first table. My data is sheet 7. So just select on this. Okay. When this option is not, this is unchecked, you cannot find the table over here. So just need to select system and you will get all the things. System, next, average. You can query by using this formula also, because company, or you can select equals to like and everything. But I will use MS query. So there is two option: return to data to Microsoft back, or you can go to the MS query. So select the view data and edit the MS query. Just click on finish. This is the MS query window. Right. So first of all, I got this MS query. This is my table and this is the data. And click on the nothing. Right. And this is SQL statement of this query. No issue. Now I will add a criteria, filter criteria. So add a criteria. You can select over here this two, this is specs, right? Filter. You can select over here, show height criteria, and you go with that over here also. Right? So I will just go for this one. Right? I will go to filter because I have created a, there is company. This is not model, company. So this is my query. Now I go for the company. Now I'm using Skoda, so it will filter me a Skoda. Just backspace and press enter. You will get the entire list again. Now this is Renault. Press enter. You will get the data. Remove it. Press enter. You will get. Or you can click on this also. Right. But I want every time I will not typing here. So I just put the opening square bracket, closing square bracket, and now press. You can press enter or you can use on enter. Now parameter is open. Now I will give it the parameter name is as Skoda. Right? Give it Skoda. Now again parameter. If you not give any parameter, you can get nothing. If you will get the Maruti, so you will get the list of Maruti. So I will use it. Now return back to data. This button is return back to data. This is my table. Yeah, okay, come on. Just click on here, existing table. Just go to properties, right? Refresh on advertising. If your folder is linked with some other external sources, you can select off this option also, so that every time when you copy and paste new data, it will automatically refresh every 60 minutes, or it is the minimum is 1 minute. Definition. You go to definition. Just increase the size of this table. Now this is the SQL statement of this query. Now I'm not interested right now. I'm interested in parameters, right? So I just click on parameters. Just remember, I'm clicking on these parameters, right? I write in the Maruti, but I just want to make it dynamic. So I just click on this arrow and select this one. Just go to refresh automatically and click OK. Now I'm interested to this one and press OK. My table is blank because I have not selected. Now I will select the Kia and I got the data of Kia. Now I select the Hyundai. I will get the data of Hyundai. When I click on Maruti, I will get the data of Maruti. I will got the Volkswagen. I will get the data of Volkswagen. Skoda and all. Right. You can make a chart with that also. So any chart you want, you can use it. Just click on this recommended chart over here and you will get the all charts detail here. Alright. The chart will be available only by the value. So I will recommend this one, credit stacks, but data. So bar chart, any chart you want, you can click on this. Just click on this. You will get all the chart title and all the things, but I don't want chart title. Just click on this. Access. I don't want access table. Yeah, I don't want. I want access table and access title both. Data table. Yeah, upper ligand. So I just want to check whether it is using table or what. Select data. It is using KMPL entire data, but I don't want this. I don't want this. First of all, it is selecting wrong table. So I just click on series name, single series name is also series value first. Just okay. And series value is this one. Click OK. again upper limit, axis level, model. Then I got a label and I don't want this axis. So this will become a dynamic table and that should be data. See, actually the data is not available here because of, see, why data is not coming, because this is this price is in text format. How to check? Just press T is equals to press T, select equals to end, go to this. Now click on fx or shift F3. You can use shift F3. Now you can see this data is in commas, in a comma, so obviously it is a text format. Now the problem is with this. Let me check and let me try to convert it into the numbers. Go to back, just select, click, split, space, click on OK. Now it is converted into the numbers. Oh shit. When you make a sheet, just click on this thing. You will get the data back. Remove it. Now again same, split columns by delimiter, and I just want to replace a space and click OK. I remove entire table. Remove. Just click on this. Go to replace value. Now type null, press 5. Okay. Just load it back. Now this is in table. Arey yaar. One more thing. One one column is there. Remove it. Just go and select it. Right. Now just refresh it. It won't refresh. So just go and select Volkswagen. Actually, it is this table is delinked with the entire table, so I have to create this table again via ODBC query. So come again, go MS query, select. You have another chance to select. No issue. Just double click on this user and go to desktop. Where is desktop? Yeah, this one. Select what data is in here. Select next, next, next. View data, finish. Just add, click on this show height table, select company. See, that is very important that you can increase the size of column also. Company. Now double quote, sorry, double square bracket, open square bracket, closing square bracket, and press enter. You will get the data, and now I will select node, press enter. I will get the data. Then return back to my table. This is my query. Okay, let's click on this. Go to property, definition, parameter, get data, and select Volkswagen. Refresh automatically. It is in a query. Okay, where company name is this one. Now I will just select the node. Select. Just click on this, insert. Click on this small arrow. You will get the all chart. Now the data is available perfectly. Right. Select which one. Which one you like. Yeah, this one. This one. Upper and lower model is also. Just select. Alright. Go to chart. Check data. It is in upper limit. So add one more lower. This is selecting this one. S2 is this one, and this is entire data. Add lower. Select this one. Go. Okay. So we got the table. Ligands also lower and upper. Data table. Here we got the data table also. Data labels 6.33. Chart title. You can add a chart title directly to the company name also. Just click on chart title. Right. Just click on chart title. Then go to the FX window. Just click here. Press is equals to and select this one and make press enter. It will directly link with this table also. When you click on the node, it will automatically change to the node Volkswagen Hyundai. So you get the data of Hyundai, right? So you can analyze this via this method. Kia, you will get the single model of Kia, and again Nissan, again Skoda. There's two model Maruti. There is a lot of models, right? So you can use it this table. Earlier it is not coming the data because I have not converted this into the numbers. Obviously I can use it on home, but later on it will create the problems again, so I just remove it. Now first, this is my data table, so I just name it as data. Okay, this is query 1, so I use it right now Q1 so that I can remember it. Any type of chart, just click on chart, just go to select change chart type also. You can select another chart, no issue. This one chart, but it is not that chart I using it. Go chart type again, line chart. Line chart is okay. Yeah, line chart is okay. Go pie chart. Yeah, that is another chart. And radar chart. Yeah, you can use it radar chart also for this table. Volkswagen radar chart and Maruti. All the chart is come up again in a minute. It will not refresh. And the XY scatter chart. You will get data entire Maruti. because data is also already available, so it will not refresh. Waterfall chart, box box and whisker chart. Let's try this. Let's do this again. Column chart. Back to this line chart. Go to click access title. You can just click on access title. Go to this one. Press equals to, and what you will you want to click on this one. Just make it displacement. It is in a price now. So price. Just make it complete. It is already linked. This is equals to and submit and press enter. So now again next query. This is a dynamic query. Dynamic query. Now I will use so we will start again user, so desktop here, file is this one. This is data file. Query selector. One more thing, you can add this query selector directly to the task taskbar. Just right click over here and just pin to taskbar. Pin to straight to taskbar. Okay, another option is there. So first of all, I will create a criteria. Company. Well. I will go for price, lower price. I will use is between. Select the lower price, the value will become out 354. Let's say P at okay. Let's go with this one. Lower price. When you click on this when you double click on this, it will open a edit criteria window. So upper. See, when you write down this is 2 and this is 3. So it is a, or you can say 5. Okay. This is a AND situation, AND. So you can write here, it will R. Right. The price is lower is 2, upper is 5. So you will get the okay. You can add this, you remove all criteria, and this will come up with this. Just go to lower, double click on this table, you will get this. I have double click over here, not here. You can double click over here, you will get this small window is between is 2. Okay, is greater than 2. Okay, that's okay. Okay, now upper email, upper email less than equals to 19. Okay, and okay, and filter out. Now what I want is I'm adding a parameter over here, so it will be a 3. Center, it will be a 6. It will give me a filter out. So let's click OK. So this is my table properties definition. Now this is a SQL statement. Command text data lower is greater than question mark and this one question mark. This is the AND situation because I have used in a single value. I have put the value in the same row. So I just select parameter 1. Okay, I'm using first here E4 and second one F4. Just paste it here. I got. So E4 is E4. This is lower upper. So lower is 4, upper is 6. I got this Maruti Alto 800. Upper is 8. So these are the segment where upper price is Renault 6.45, under 8 lakhs and greater than 4 lakhs. Greater than 5 lakhs and lower than 8 lakhs, this are 2. Lower than 7 lakhs, there is nothing. Upper than 4 lakhs, you will get the value of this one. Right? Now, make a copy. Right? Still working or not? Let's check. Yes, it's working. So I'll just click over here. Just go to properties, limit, definition. It is a AND situation, right? So let's replace it with 4. Okay, okay, okay. Now 3, 5. So I got all the value because upper limit is 5. See, you have to change again. Less than. If you want, you can remove it. So now this is not more functional. You have to set back the parameters. SQL statement. Okay, let's do another one example. No need to take this example more. Now another example is for in between cars, right? So first of all, I will make data copy of this. Just right click, select create a copy. Another, make one more copy. Now we have got 3 table. This is not included. Data of, just remove it. Right. Now I don't want this. Cut and paste. Control and minus to remove the rows, and control is equals to insert the rows. Control shift and is equals to, we will insert a row like this, and control minus will remove the rows. Control shift is equals to plus is equals to, and control plus minus. Insert rows plus delete. Now we have 3 tables: Skoda, driver, data, and all. Control minus, oh, control minus. So this now I will append all the data using MS query. Like this one, select. You don't need to select all the things, but just go for OK. Click on OK. So it's giving me a data like this way: one table, number 2 table, and all. Remove it. Right. If you want, you can select and go to recorder, remove the bar. No, but I want to insert one more table is here. Is it data 2, data 2 data 3 and I want to one more table is data like this one. Close. This is my table. Okay, so this is my SQL statement. See, this is the SQL statement, right? Now I want press open notepad, but it will be very hard. Leave it. Wait a minute. Just remove these columns first. Okay, my SQL statement will, let's check the SQL statement. I will use a SQL command union. My first statement is data 2. So data 2, data 2, data 2. Yeah. So just remove it. And data 2. Right. Next is again union on data. I have included data 2, so I did take data 3. Right. Just keep data 3. Data 3 and remove data table also. Next is data, only data table. Internal data table. See, there is only 2 data types. That's okay. Okay. So it merges 2 tables. This one and this one. Right. But what I want to merge entire tables. So that's okay. That's okay again. I got the data 2 table. Just click here and refresh it. Okay. I don't want this. When you click on this thing, you will get all the columns here. But I will just remove it. This is not removed. Just 2 3 times. Just remove all the columns. So the mouse is not remove all the columns. Now just double click on this and just remove columns. Just click. That's all. Now I want to insert another table. Data 2 is added, data 3. But I did not get any. So just click over here. I got data 3 table. Now again, data, we got this. Just double clicking on this. I got data. Now I can check the SQL command. Data 2, data 3, and data, right. What's come as the average? Oh, that's okay. Actually, let's see. Copy. MPVM data table. Yes, I'm keeping data 3. I'm just keeping data 2. Now I got data 2, union all, data 3, union all, data. And just click on OK and OK. All the tables included by this way, right? Just send it. Here. I will get the data. So I want blank rows. Why blank rows come? Because the table is not right. I have deleted one. So this is the union of methods to append the tables. Right? So first of all, we have selected a query. This is query one. So Volkswagen is not there, so it will not remain data. And I will just make it again. Tap 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 tap. Next. Okay. Or you can refresh it again. This way you can also get the data. When you click refresh, this will disconnect it. This will disconnected. Okay, leave it. Grouping. Let's have a grouping. How to make a group using Power Query. Using Microsoft Query, sorry, not Power Query, Microsoft Query. Next up, query. My data is here. Just go, or you can use it directly here also. Like investment only. Contain H. When you select over here, it will automatically create a criteria field over here. Otherwise, you have to create from this way. Okay, just remove this H. Just remove this H and put it single quote plus square bracket plus single quote. Now just put it R. So you will get the other and not occur. Just click on and you will get the Nissan Magnite. Okay, so this is where you this is another way. So I have not included D2, so it gives me entire data table. So when I click on the M, so it gives me nothing. But when I click on A capital M, it gives me nothing. Not given. Which table is in this data is giving? Let me check. It is in data table. Like Nissan Volkswagen. So it gives me an entire table. Right. Another way, grouping using Power Query minus Excel. Desktop query. Let's have this. Next. Power Query. Finish. Okay. Now I'm just making a grouping method. I didn't want to group by a company name or by lower. Just click on lower and double click on these headings. You will get the heading. You can change the heading over here, but I want to make it sum. Or you can choose whatever you want to use. But I want to sum. So it's going to give me a sum. Name is sum. Just move over and double click. Whatever I want you can write. Just make a sum. Or this one. Now I got the this table, right? But I don't want model. So remove this one. I'm going to remove this also. Now it's scooping again and again. Now this is the entire group. Let's say send it. We get the table by grouping. Okay, let's say we want something new. Wait a minute. Go properties. Properties definition. Okay. I'm using this where close. Come over there. Produce definition. Company name. Just click. I got the parameter. Yeah. Okay. Now data is settled. Again go to the properties. Now this time parameter is set. Now go to properties, definition, parameter. Use this. Okay. It will automatically C3. Just remember C3. Just put it here. Okay. So problem is there. Yeah. Now put it. Sun. So not only you can set parameter over there, you just set the parameter from this statement also. Grouping, including grouping with parameter, like parameters. Like you can assign it over here. Or every time you can prompt, just click on there. Or you can click over here. So this is a group. And let's check whether it is coming up right or not. It is right. Just put it here H. What is the total of this? 29.96. So what 29.96, right? Correct. And what is the total of it? Just go and Alt plus equals to. You can also Alt plus equals to over here. Right. Alt plus equals to. Check Maruti 3436. Let's say man, and you will get 3436. Or you can take average also. But I want sum, so this. In table you can select Alt plus equals to. For inserting sum formula or sum or subtotal formula. right? Subtotal formula. Subtotal formula is very helpful when the range is filtered. It only subtotal. What is the difference between sum and subtotal? Sum will include the hidden rows also, but subtotal is only include the visible cells only. It will sum only on visible cells. Formula is subtotal in this one. Now we can choose sum. Here you have a 109 is sum, and here you have a sum again. 109, it will not include hidden rows. When you select 9, it will include hidden plus visible cells, and 109, it will include only a visible cells, right? So this is the subtotal formula. This one is only a single model, and I included and so and is coming on your node also. Let's see. So and you get alt equals to alt equals to this is 116, 116, 7657, 1.75. That is okay, right? So I want to delete this. Press shift and select all this and just this is my table. I don't want this table also. Remove it. This is a power query. Yeah, we have a query. Refresh. Okay. Now that's working. Now what I want, I'm using slicers. So you can insert the slicer directly into this table also, because it is a table format. So you can go to table design, go to slicer. Okay, just hold on, just insert rows. Still it is working. And just go view and remove the grid line. Now this is a table, so it will give me a go to table design, insert a table. I'm using company name. I will make a slicer on company. Let's select company, this one, but this is a slicer, but this is a straight list type of slicer. I don't want the list type of structure, so go to columns. When you click on table, it will give me the table design. When you click on slicer, it will give the menu of slicer. When you click on slicer, then menu will be up here. So go to column this way. Just keep these things here. Or insert port columns also. No issue. Okay. So it is just give me a outline. So remove this outline. This is light. Go to new style of slicer, format. I don't want borders. None. Fill. None. font bold type. So I got this. Now I got this one. When you click on this and like Kia, Maruti, Nissan, not Skoda, Volkswagen, right? Just click on this. So you will get the nice slicers. Nice slicer design. Nobody will check whether it is slicer or what. Just click on this Renault Skoda. Again, I'll just click on this, right? Or you can go back, or if you want, you can go and select this way. But I would like to have this one. So that's so everybody will confused how it's working. Maruti, right? Skoda. Great things. Okay. Now I'm removing this slicer again. How to remove? Just click on slicer and remove company. That's all. Slicer will be on. Remove. Select control minus. You get the same table. Slicers. Right. This is another type of slicers. One more time I will go for union. So let's do this. I have a skill statement. So when it's check see user desktop query data, right? But I have another data is data 1 table, and the path of this data table is this one. So I use directly from the folder. See, I will use directly from the folder. So I'm just increasing the on. The name is button one. File name, sheet name. Paste it here. Let's try this. I'm not sure whether it is working or not, but I'm just trying. Data 1. Data 1. 1. 2. 1. 1. 1. 1. The path of this file is different. Let's do this. And what is the file name? Yes. And what is sheet name? Data 1, small d. So I have to write this form of small d. Okay, not in the format. So it is a it's giving me an error. Sorry. Okay, so just leave it. Let's try this one. Go to download. Folder name is T5, which is not Excel file. So rename it. Table is external is not expected. Okay. So you cannot take like this from text. So you have to just save it as Excel. Press F12 to save as Excel. Close. F12. F12. Okay. Now try again. Close. Good. Now data is coming. Next. View edit. Finish. Okay. We have like this. We cannot split into this. We can sum average, count, minimum, max, but we cannot split. That is why we need Power Query in place of MS Query. Right. But I am not here to split it. I just want to union all the tables. You can write this denominator also. There is no problem. get the data from the two tables. Go to data and folder data T. Data 2, data 3. Data values also. Then is also included. So we can merge all the tables and get a table here. Put the table, get the table here. So we have completed this one. Yes. 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 We have completed this one. Right. Now, one more thing which is we have not included is get file name from folder. I will use it. Here is macro 4.0. Let's say yes. How will do it? I will do this. Just like macro 4.1. This is macro 4.1. 4. Sorry. 4 not 4.1. 4.0. How to get this one? I just want to write here is path, folder path, basically folder path. Go get this path. Okay. / star dot star. So all the files, all the name of the files I want here. File names. Okay. Let's see. Go to formula. Get name. Just click get files. Here you just remove and just press F2 so that it will come to the edit mode. Now this alias files and give the reference of A2 dollar a dollar close. Okay. Leave it. Now, oh, it's a macro, so I'll ask you to save it as a macro. So leave it. Just write the index. Right. Look at this. Just save it like this way and simple and just that. That's all. You will get the entire file name over here in this folder. Just don't review it. I'm getting a preview. Just remove it. So all the file names, how much file is there? 16. How much name is there? 16. This is the way you can use the Macro 4.0. There is a lot of functions in Macro 4.0. I will make a separate video on this for Macro 4.0. It is used in 1976 to 1978 in Excel, but still it is working using formula bar name managers. So it is a very useful, still useful. Okay, but what if I want to rename, get the name of entire sheets at a column number n? So my formula is cell, go to file path, type reference. Reference, you can reference anything, nothing is special. You will get this name, right? Now search. Search within this term from first. You will get 36. I'm getting this one. So what is close this one? 36 minus here is 36 and total is C. Total is 43. 43 minus 36 is 7. So here is 36 and this is just 47. The 47 minus 36 is equals to 66, 15. So go minus 7. Now I got the 7 value. 7. So I just wrote the cut and paste, right? Right. 7. So cell 2. This one. I got the sheet 15. Now ungroup it and you will get the entire sheet name at data 4.0. So this is the one way to get the folder name, and there is another way to get the sheet name, right? Or you can use the macro name also. You can rename it and list the sheet name. List sheet name. You will get the sheet name here. We will use it in this topic. Okay. So it is a macro sheet, so we have to remove it. I have to remove this so that macro should be removed. Manager file get files. Removed. Now it is a non-macro file. Again. Now another topic is cube value advanced filter functions. Right. Okay. And this one also. Okay. So my data is in this one. Select this data. Press insert go pivot table. Obviously it is very simple. When you click this, there will be one function appear. If you not click, the another function will not appear. So first of all, I will not selecting it as a data model, just making a simple table. So writing it simple without range of this. Okay. See, I got company name, lower, upper. Okay, design should be company displacement model. It is a very taggy style. So just go to, just click in pivot table, go to pivot table design, go to this one tabular, go repeat all, leave it subtable, cancel, and go to this one. You will get a nice formatted pivot table. Right, save it. Now what is the question between? I don't want so much of these things, so I'm just removing it. I don't want. I'm just keeping it simple. Calculation field, row field, and column field is blank. No column field. You can use it like this way also, or you can keep it this way also. There is no issue. So, what is the problem? Right. So first of all, I am covering this one. When you click in pivot table, the pivot table fields will appear, and pivot table design is appear. Otherwise, menu will be gone. Now, when you click in value field, you will get the only calculator field, right? But when you click over here in a row section, you will activate this calculate item also. So calculate field and calculate item, there is a difference. Calculate field is used for column calculation, calculated item is used for row calculation, right? Column calculations, row calculations. So let's say I have a column calculation first. Just keep your cursor in a row section, this row section, to activate both. So first of all, calculate field. So I'm just here is writing a total. My first column is I'm using column calculation. No? Calculate field is used for column calculation. Column calculation means this A plus B is equals to C. So A plus B. Okay, click add. Okay, so you will get this A B equals to A plus B. This is calculated field, right? Now what if I want just keep plus this one, I want to add this one, right? So one way is to doing the same thing is I'm removing this model and just keeping it model like this one. Okay, so okay, one way is to calculated items. Just click on there, go set calculated items. So that's one. Hyundai. Okay, so Hyundai model is Hyundai Line 1, Hyundai Venue. I have clicked on this, so you get this, and Hyundai N line. Okay, click add. Just go to total. So it's giving me a Hyundai total here. I'm just giving it upper side. So this is total of this one. 296, 399, and this one. So this is calculated items. This is one way. Okay, calculated items will appear in the same row, same column. Another way is just click control, just press control, Hyundai, or you can select directly shift. Okay, that's okay. Just right click, go to group and create a custom group like this one, H1 AI limited. Okay, and just merge it. For merging it, just go to option, click on this, you will get the Hyundai door. Okay, just go and now you make a subtotal, you will get the same total like this one, right? But I don't want subtotal, so just remove it. Hyundai. I want to create this one, Maruti. Just go and select group. Right, but there is no total. Total is not there. So either way is you just click on, you can get the total of it. No problem. You will get the table total of it. Another way is calculated items. Click on row section, go to pivot, go calculate items. So go select plus K10 plus Celerio plus Fronex plus Expressio plus Wagoner plus Magnite plus, okay, now that's all. So just click OK, add, it is adding. Okay, It is taking time. Okay. Oh my god, Excel is crashed. Okay. So just give me a, let's have a remove it, ungroup. Just click and ungroup. You have got this one. Now I got table. I'll just make it very simple so that this works very nice. Fine. Okay, leave it. Ungroup this and this. Just remove it. And this is pivot. Now select on this row table so that both the field will be activated. Go formula formula auto plus double click to add from H, double click space here, like an R. Okay, that's it. That's it. So click OK, go. You will get the multi total here. Just press it. Double click on format painter, so it will, you can use it another. Okay, it will not remove it. If you click single time, you can use it in a single time only, and then it will remove. But you, when you click double click, it will appear, and you can use as many as you, as many time as you can, if you as you want, as you want. Yeah, as many time as you want. So this is mark the total. Right click, group, right click, group, and right. You can also include this one. No problem. If you want, you can use it. Alt. See what is the error. Ungroup, make it sure ungroup first. Ungroup, ungroup, ungroup. If it is not in order, what will you will do? The question is, if it is not in order like this way, then how will you do? Just click, nothing is optional, just press Control and select all these things. Then you can right click. When you click, it will automatically sort it out. Okay. Now if you want, you can take it. You have to remove, you have to remove. What if I want to minus of this? Just keep it here and go. So gap, price gap. upper minus lower, and okay, you will get the gap of that, this minus this. Upper to, oh sorry, I have removed model, modify, okay, now I got the gap is equals to 12 minus 19, you have 2.48, 2.48, right? Price gap is also, you can write here, already exist. Let's see, the knowledge is okay, what you can select and remove it also here. Plus weight plus driver, add, okay, we get the, now what I'm telling is when you want formatting, just select and not a single click. If you click on single, you can use it in a single time, but if you just double click, you can use multiple time. Okay, like this way. This is Skoda. Let's have the total of Skoda. So yeah, add, okay. Every time it comes to the table. Finally, is Volkswagen total. Volkswagen total. Add, okay. So again, same thing. I'm telling you, double click and use it multiple times. So this is the way you can total it in a single column. Difference is that if you group it like this way, you can group it, or you can group it like this way. You can group, you can group it. Wait a minute. Group it. You can group it like this way. You can write it as a, this is here, this is Maruti, this is Nissan, this is Renault, this is Skoda, this is Volkswagen. So this is the way. Nice format rectangle. Right. So I covered this one, this one. What if you want to contribution like price hike row? So just check this one. So but when you click on this, it will give me the same. Okay. So price and die versus right. So by total minus Maruti total. Add. Oh, again I am coming up. Just remove it entire group. First of all, just select all this and right click remove. First of very straight. Go add item price gap between versus Maruti. Right. So Hyundai minus Maruti total. Select OK. It will come over here. So this is the difference. You cannot go like this way, but you can select and just at the top. Again, double click on. So Hyundai vehicle is cheaper than Maruti in total. What if I don't want to keep it? Just select, go, gap, delete. Okay, gone. What is the contribution of Renault Quid and Alto K10 comparison? Wait, let's finish. Right. Minus Alto. Okay, okay. Quid is expensive than Maruti Alto. Look at this. Right. All the figures available here is in lakhs, right? You can write like this way. So 5 lakh, like this one, 5, 1, 2, 3. This is 5 lakhs 12,322. But what if, how to write this like this way, 4.12, without writing it? Just click, go to format, or you can just select control 1, control 1, CPR plus format. Select control 1, format window, custom, go want to write it here like this one. I only want to how we'll make it control the custom. This is 0.00. It's a 10 millions. Okay, now I don't want 10 millions. So 5 lakhs. So you can convert into millions this way. Format painter. This one. So it's a 51 lakhs. So how can I write this is in a million? 0.00. It's a 5 million, 5.12 million. 1 million is equals to 10 lakhs. It's a 51 lakhs. Or I can say 5.12 million. Right? Okay. Let's see. What else I can use it? I can do it with this. This is OLP tools. Right? How can you make it? Gone. I just want to check one more thing. Is there? Total is coming up? No, not here. Nothing is here. No. This time I will use OLP tool. Go pivot from table, data table. Okay. It is adding a data model. When you data table image library, you can see multiple tables here. Table query is also. You can make a pivot table directly from the table query also, or you can use it append one, which is I used it. So go capacity displays whatever this company. Right. I will use model here. It's a very techy pivot table. Remove it. Just click over here. Table. Now, what is the difference between? What is the difference? So I just write okay. Just double click on it. No. Just double click on this. No. Right click. Show detail. Additional action. Private field setting. Like this one. Within language. Just right click. Field setting. Type is so this is the just remove it. You cannot remove the filter in it. What if you want to filter it like this way? What if you want to filter? You cannot Control Shift L. You cannot use Control Shift L, or you cannot put a filter over here. But what you want, if you want to make a filter on it, just go here, put in dot, then come here and just put a filter. the filter will come out, right? Now you can use as a filter, right? But what the logic is, this filter will not remain here. Go clear. Just remove. Control Shift L. Just, just go here and see. If you are in pivot table, you cannot use Control Shift L. Control Shift L. Shift L. Plus L. But when you are in pivot table, you cannot use filter. But when you just near to it, press it and you can use it. Okay. Another hack. So what I is pivot table. Now this is the pivot table. You cannot insert anything. Control Shift and nothing. It will give you an error. You cannot insert rows. Right. So what is the this when you put the pivot table along with the data model, OLP tool will activate it and convert formula is activated. Do not select this convert pivot filter. Otherwise this will also converted. Just remove it. That's how. Now you can insert anything you want to insert. Here, here. Right. But the pivot table is still working. See, pivot table will still working. Okay. So that is what I am discussing it. And go here and I want a company. Okay. We'll get the data over here. You have to select, remove it. Insert pivot table. Use this data model. Company. Design. Right. Tabular. All items off and off. Use it. Go to OLP. Convert to formula. Do not select. Convert. Now you can use it. Select. You will get the data only for Hyundai. Maruti. You will get the data only for Maruti. So you can use it, or you can add anything in between pivot table also. Right. Now you can insert here also, or other. This is a two value formula, so this topic is also included. You can make percentage this price enter. Okay, 69%. So Skoda 54.57%. You can get the data. Okay, it's a tube well form. Okay, what if you want to click over here like this way? Another thing is go to insert pivot table. You can use two. Go to design, tabular, off, use it. Okay. Now every pivot table have this issue. This coming in a single rows. But you can go over here, pivot table, and go to this one. 2. Yeah. Just click on allow multiple filters per field. You can keep it. Yeah. See this one. Yeah, I got this. So you can use it like this way also. Now OLP convert per filter. So die. Nothing. Die. I got this data only. Right. So multiple ability is also available. Just go click over here, go and button. You will get this. Then click on this. You can get this. This is the another way. Okay. So in last, this is the list value. Another is list value. We have this. And here we have this one. See, we have two tables. One with upper, another is lower. Both the table is on same table like this one. So how will you make the pivot table including this plus this? There is no option in that. There is no option in that. So you just use it Alt plus P plus P. Just remember Alt DP. Okay, just press Alt D, P, Alt D, P. You will get this wizard, and here is the multiple consolidation pivot table range. Just click on this. Create a single page for that. I will create the page field also. Now you can add first range. Okay, add another one is this one. Now add. I will create a report filter one. Lower, two is upper. Next, finish. See, I got the data in the right way. See, again, just down. Okay. Hyundai i10 lower is 9.9. Hyundai i10 lower is 9, and Hyundai i upper is 12.46. So it automatically selected to the table. So it's included two tables. This pivot is made of two tables. Right. Now another one. This way. I just want to keep here. Alt BP. Now just back multiple consolidation date range. Create a field. So you can use this one or you can this one. You can use anything you want. Okay, add. Add. I will create. Okay. Just remember one thing. When you are in sheet 2, it is an upper. So when you select on sheet 2, when you select sheet 2, the model should be upper. And for lower, you just select this one. I don't want to. I already created upper. Now I will open lower. Okay, finish. Finish. I got single, but in a same. So when I click on upper, I get the data for upper. When I click on lower, I get data for lower. What is the difference between right? Let's again Alt D P. Multiple consolidation pivot table. Create table. This one. Select. Add. Select. Add. 2. This one. Upper. Lower. Finish. So I got this table. Go. And lower. I got the lower. And as for upper, I got an upper only. Right. So this is the multiple consolidation pivot table. Okay. So I completed this topic also. Consolidation. It's very important. Yes. Yes. Now data model is completed. When you use this option, add this data through data model, it will never remove. Okay, when you use it data now, it will come up again and again. When you now again you don't need this one. Just click on here, and you can also create a pivot table using data model. So data model is also existing like append. You can use the data model to create this pivot table, or you can analyze it when you first need to add data into data model, then like this way. See, if I want to analyze it pivot table, first of all I need to add it via data model. Just do it. Okay, don't need to create a pivot table, just remove it again. Now data is available in data model, so you can go and now this one data model is happening, right? So you can analyze this minus this. Okay, price depth. This divided by this, and convert it as a data type is over currency decimal text. Leave it like last. Right. Okay, you can create a pivot table from the pivot was formalized there. We will use it power pivot second later, but this is remaining data pivot demo. Okay, you can use it. Okay, now leave it.